Residents of Las Cuevas village on the north coast were awakened by gunfire in their quiet community on Thursday. The end result? The death of 4 people in one morning. Dead are reputed drug and gun smuggler VAUGHN SANDMAN MIERES, his wife Letty, Nigel Blood Octon, and a 4th unidentified man. One suspect is under police guard at hospital after he was dropped off at the St. James Medical Facility with gunshot wounds. Stacey Ann Providence has the details.
Investigators and residents alike called it a well-orchestrated hit. According to reports, just after 2 a.m. on Thursday, several masked men approached the home of VAUGHN SANDMAN MIERES in a Hyundai Santa Fe SUV and an 80 wagon. We're told one of the vehicles had blue lights mounted and the men were dressed in what appeared to be military apparel. It appears they were allowed to enter the compound at the front, where they shot the watchman, and towards the back, where another man in a hammock was killed. Sandman was found dead under his bed, while his wife was found shot to death in a cupboard where she had been hiding. Reports are 2 children who were in the house at the time of the shooting escaped injury. The gunmen are said to have driven to the Las Cuevas Health Center a short distance away, where they set both vehicles on fire before heading out to sea in a waiting vessel. One man, who is believed to have been shot in the crossfire during the operation, was taken into custody after he was dropped off at the St. James Health Facility. He is said to be assisting police with their investigation. Sandman was well known to police, having been arrested and charged for multiple offences, including conspiracy to commit murder and firearm possession. His killing follows last month's drive-by shooting in which gunmen fired at a vehicle transporting his 2 daughters along Belmont Circular Road near Providence Girls Catholic School. Investigators are also looking at the possibility that Thursday morning's shooting was a reprisal for a double murder in Maraval last week, where 2 men were killed in a drive-by shooting.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, hit your notification button. Silent, Rastaman, big up yourself. 306, the whole crew. Look at the screen in front of you. You just watched that clip about a youth named Sandman from out of Trinidad. He come from the north coast. And while the man them end up at 8 man go over him yard, you see him big house and slap him where? And I tell you, them say one of them friend do it, cause you did get catch, or you did go to the hospital, but yo, the man them angling wicked dog, and I like, cause them say him reign over the north coast, and him get all of the jobs them through the government contract and them thing there. You understand? Them say everything at him control it. Enough people are say, boy, since him gone, him, them now make no money and thing. But you have other people I say, boy, him did have a lock on the job, and it all depends on who him like before them can get a job. You understand? So, boy, him story really shocking. Nah lie. Him story really shocking. Them say him have an empire of blood, dog. Cause them say, let me tell you now him get slapped where. 2 a.m. in the morning, the man them ride up to that big house step on the right, that a him son man. 45. And 8 man. And the man, him have a guard at the door, at the gate, asleep out there, and the man them stitch him up and come in and stitch up the next guard time. Have 2 bodyguards. You understand? And then them go for him and him woman, wife, and stitch them up, dog. And 4 of them get fling away. And then the man them driving a car down to the beach and burn up the car and jump in some boat and drive off. One man them did bring her to a hospital and the police will on pan the man them near Arthur. Them a say like a Sandman friend them who him diss and punk off and them thing they out. So, yo, remember me tell you, say, listen, dangerous, very dangerous. The man them say, the people them will come for him had tactical gear. You understand? And, yo, the man them give to him. But, yo, follow this equation. One of Trinidad most notorious hustler and gang member, the Sandman. The man them wax him and the woman and 2 bodyguards about 2019 and a big repercussions. But now telling you some more, follow the equation. Now, this dude, Sandman, he was well known to police. Let me say him was a hustler. Him deal with the girl and him deal with the Rastaman thing. And them say him have link to Venezuela and Colombia. You understand? And him been around them thing there for the last 20 years. Them also say him responsible for another gangster we get fling away. The name Robocop Alexis in 2016. Them did charge him during the state of emergency, just like Jamaica. Now you tell him would have want to be similar to Waldy and Bully and even ROY FOWL them and one British them dog in Trinidad. But yo, the man them charge him in 2018 for possession a gun and ammunition, I beg your pardon. And him get bail and him beat the charge. Enough people I say, boy, him feed them and them vex or him dead. You understand? But I'm going to tell you now, where the ex-police commissioner, Gary, them have a white boy police commissioner. Him retire now, but that boy they make a bag of money. But me I tell you now, what him say about that youth here. Look at the screen in front of you. Look to the left side. And the youth the name Shato. Him now go to the hospital with a bullet wound. Him see the police them and start run. And the police them blow some grains anyways them catch him. Him are the only man get hold for Sandman thing. Slap way. You see me I say? No, look at that youth. Him look like him is a big time man with money we can finance an operation like that. The youth is a street vendor in name Durrell Raymond. Them call him Durrell Shato Raymond. He's a fruit vendor from Celestine, the Maraval part of Port of Spain. Them slap him with the 14. And the last time him got caught was August 25th, 2019. From that, we don't hear nothing again about Sandman, him wife, and the two bodyguard them. Now, that youth a shot up, the youth on the left, him is an ex-associate of Sandman. And I don't know what was the circumstance, but it don't look like Shato have no money. It don't look like Shato can finance the upstairs. But one thing where you have to notice, even though Shato in a jail, you know, Shato is not talking or telling the police them anything about none of the man them. Notice that. Notice that, you know. Jamaica. If that was Jamaica, man would have started squeal long time ago, yo. The man them at Jamaica work with police more than all the Trinidadian man them work with police. It's plain to see. Look upon black man. Look how them do. Dog paw. As him drive off, then somebody call the police and set him up. Look upon Vybz Kartel, the informer. We have dropped some bombshell testimony. As far as the Sandman case go, the youth not talk. He is not talking at all. Now, the police commissioner came out. A white police officer, police commissioner Gary Griffiths, I think him retire now. Can I make a bag of money? Him say Sandman days was numbered. Him say Sandman get money if he build the roads and this and that, and then Sandman use it to recruit money 19. Him say him know time is hard, but him can't support get money from them kind of people. As far as he's concerned, Sandman get what him deserve. I'm just telling you what the police commissioner said. So, at the end of the day, you see how the man them at Trinidad are do it. Them a handle them thing themselves. Them a deal with the thing away. Less man a inform upon them. In a middle day, man a do thing in a middle night. Man have boat. 8 man got a youth a yard. And fling where whoever in there, him and him wife and the rest of people them. And yeah, drive go down at the beach, jump in a some boat and sail off. And that's a film thing or film story. And one of the wickedest apps me ever seen for a long time. Anyways, my name is Countryman. Let me know what you think about this story. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. But you can see from this story that Trinidad are Trinidad. And you can't play with the man them at Trinidad. No sleep on Trinidad, dog. Countryman, I'm out, and more stories coming.